Welcome to this video on clearing cells in Microsoft Excel. So we all know that we can use the backspace button or the delete button to remove some content, some information that is sitting within a cell, but you might not know that you can use selective clearing to clear things like the format, the content, hyperlinks, comments, and things like that. So I'm going to show you where this is and how this works. And this might be useful if you just want to get rid of the content, the information, but leave the formatting in place behind it, or you just want to get rid of loads of comments in bulk, things like that. So let me just select some cells. I'm going to select the order completed column. Now, depending on what type of cells you select, you might see some different options in this drop down. So just be aware of that one. Some of them might be grayed out depending on what's in those cells. But to do this, I'm going to go to the Home tab. So top left-hand corner, I'm going to click on Home. I hide my ribbon to give myself more space to work with. So that's why it didn't appear until I clicked on the tab. And then I'm going to go to the right-hand side there and go to Editing. And when I click on that drop-down, I've got towards the bottom left-hand corner, I've got Clear. And I'm just going to click on the arrow, the drop-down next to that. And there we can see we have the different selective clearing options. So I can clear everything. I can just clear the formatting and take it back to the baseline, the default. I can clear the contents but leave the formatting in place. There's no comments and notes there, but I could clear comments and notes. That's the next option that is grayed out. I can clear any hyperlinks that are in there, so I can get rid of those. And the bottom option there is remove hyperlinks, which again, there's nothing in there, so it's not giving me that option to work with. But you can see here how you can just get rid of contents but leave formatting in place, remove all of those comments and notes if you want to, or if you just want to start from scratch. One of the easiest ways to get rid of everything is just use clear all, and that's a quick way of removing everything from your sheet so you can start again. So just to reiterate, this one, nice super quick one, is in the Home tab, it's in the editing option, and you've got all of those clear options there to work how you want to within Microsoft Excel. So one to have a play around with and see if any of those options will work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.